Hi, it's Mary. Welcome to another Chinese lesson. Today we're learning how to say yesterday, today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow, and how to use these phrases to ask about the date in Chinese. Okay, let's get started. 昨天 yesterday. 今天 today. 明天 tomorrow. 后天 the day after tomorrow. Repeat after me. 昨天 yesterday. 今天 today. 明天 tomorrow. 后天 the day after tomorrow. Now let's use these phrases to ask about the dates in Chinese. 今天星期几 今天星期几 What day is today? 今天星期一今天星期一 Today is Monday. 明天几号明天几号 What's the date tomorrow? 明天是5月3号明天是5月3号 Tomorrow is May 3rd. Let's repeat again. 今天星期几今天星期几 What day is today? 今天星期一今天星期一 Today is Monday. 明天几号明天几号 What's the date tomorrow? 明天是5月3号明天是5月3号 Tomorrow is May 3rd. You can also use yesterday and the day after tomorrow in these two kinds of conversations. I'm only listing 2 examples in here because that's too much information for you to memorize at a time. Okay, at last let's review everything we have learned in this lesson. 昨天今天明天后天今天星期几今天星期一明天几号明天是5月3号 Alright, today's lesson is over. I will see you in the very next lesson very soon. Bye!